In this video, I'll guide you through how to close your N26 account. Whether you've decided to switch banks or just want to wrap things up with N26, this process is pretty straightforward. We'll go through the steps together, ensuring you understand everything clearly. First things first, before you start the closure process, it's crucial to make sure your account balance is zero. This means transferring out any remaining funds. You can do this by directing the money to another bank account you own or perhaps withdrawing it if that's your preference. It's important that your balance is zeroed out because N26 requires this for the closure to proceed smoothly. Once your account is empty, you'll need to log into the N26 app. Open the app on your device and head to My Account. You can find this by tapping on your initials located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the section where you can manage various aspects of your account. Here, you'll follow the in-app instructions designed to guide you through the account closure process. These instructions are straightforward and will help you step by step to ensure everything is done correctly. The app's design is user-friendly, so just take your time to follow each prompt and you'll be set. If you prefer not to use the app, there's an alternative method available. You can opt to close your account by emailing N26's support team. Make sure to use your registered email address for this communication. In your email, you'll need to include a signed cancellation request. Don't forget to also provide your full name and your IBAN details. This information is necessary for the team to identify and process your request accurately. And there you have it. That's how to close your N26 account. Whether you choose to do it through the app or via email, both methods are designed to be as convenient and efficient as possible. I hope this guide has made the process clear and simple for you. If you have any questions or run into any issues, N26's customer support is always available to help. Thanks for watching and good luck with your future banking endeavors.